Presenting the Ford 2015 Transit Cargo Van T-250 148 inches met RF 9000 gross vehicle weight sliding RH drive. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 150 amp alternator, two 12-volt DC power outlets, 26 gallons fuel tank, 3.73 axle ratio, 3,800 pound maximum payload, 4-wheel disc brakes with 4-wheel ABS, front vented discs, brake assist and hill hold control, 50-state emission system, 70 amp HR maintenance-free battery with rundown protection and aero composite halogen headlamps. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.